Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn with Chris. Today we are diving into the latest tips on how to format a paper in APA style for 2024. Whether you are a student, researcher, or just a curious, stick around because we have got you a great insight on how to make your writing shine. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscription button and join the learning community. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to get into a Microsoft Word or Google Docs, pull up a blank document like the one that I've shown you there. The first thing is to select the font. Ensure that you select the arrangeable font. In our case here, we are selecting Times New Roman, size 12. Now, after there, let's go to the line spacing. Ensure it is double spaced, that is 2.0, double spaced. Then ensure that there is no space that is added after the paragraph. Ensure that you tick there where I'm showing you there. Then click OK. Click OK. Then we go to the margin. The margin, we go to layout. Let me zoom it there. That is the layout. Then we go to margin. Ensure it is normal. For Microsoft 2016, the latest ones, the latest versions, it is set as the preset. The normal is 1 inch margin. 1 inch margin. 1 inch margin. Ensure it is centered. Now we are typing the title. The title: Design and Analysis of Suitable Road Structures. Ensure that a good title should be concise, clear, and unique. What does I mean by this? Concise. A good title should be brief but descriptive. It should be long enough but informative, but should it be be short enough, and be memorable. Clarity. About clear, it should be clearly convey the main topic or purpose without ambiguous. Readers should identify what the content is about. Unique, it should stand among the similar titles, giving your content a distinctive edge and making it easy to differentiate. Now that is what we mean by that. Ensure that your title has those three qualities to make it good. Now after you write the title, remember this is the cover page that we are formatting. I'm showing you how to format to ensure that the title is bold. The next thing is to write the author or the student's name. The student name, Chris Gitonga. The next thing is the Department of Civil Engineering, University of Nairobi. That is the department. Or the next after that is the class. The next is the tutor, that is or the professor, the teacher's name. Ensure that you write it correctly. And the last thing is the date. That is the cover page. That is how we format the cover page. That is how the cover page is formatted. Now the next thing is to copy the title and copy paste in the next page. Copy paste in the next page and write the introduction part of that topic. The next thing that I'll show you is how to insert the page number. The page number, you just click the top of the page, then it displays the design. Then go to the page number, select the top right. As you can see there, it has inserted the page number there. Yeah, page 1, page 2 there, page 2 there, page 2. Now essentially that is how we format the cover page and the introduction. Now in the next thing, I will show you the references in the next video, how you can put the references and the inside citation. Consider to subscribe, please.